let me talk about how to improve English in easy way. If you want to speak English in short of period, in short of day to improve your English speaking, speak English very well. So do this technique and improve, get your fluency. Hello dear friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Learnify today, and in this video I will share with you some important technique to improve your English, how to improve English in easy way, how to speak English in easy way. So if you are wanted to speak this language, please watch this video till the end, and end this video I will share with you some effectively techniques to improve this language, to speak this language. If you're not having any knowledge to how to improve this language, please watch this video till the end and improve your English is definitely. So dear friends, let me talk about how to improve English in easy way. If you want to speak English in short of period, in short of day to improve your English speaking, speak English very well. So do this technique and improve, get your fluency, achieve your fluency in their life. First of all, I talk about how to speak English in short of period, how to speak English in short of time. If you know, uh, if you know about this language, no knowledge to about this language, and you're not having any kinds of knowledge to improve this language, not about so many things to uh, describing you your there is learning language. Okay, you just need to watch this video, and you should try to speak in our daily life. Okay, first of all, I talking with you my entire journey, how to improve my English, how to learn English, speaking in English. So when I was started my English journey, I have no any types of sentences, any types of word, but I tried to so many things, and today I can speak in English. Okay, first of all, I should describing first thing, how to improve English speaking, how to speak English easy way, short way. Okay, sort of way. First of all, I start describing how to learn English in easy way, in short of period. If you truly wanted to become this, to become a fluent speaker, just you should do this technique, and you will improve your English speaking. First of all, thinking. I should describe first of all, thinking. If you think is a positive, then you become a fluent speaker in short of period. If you think is negative, then you not achieve your fluency in short of period. Okay, think is a why important, why important thinking is a in their journey. Let me I start describing thinking. Thinking is the most important to your entire English speaking, because if you think positive, then if you think I become a fluent speaker, I am a fluent speaker. If you know you fluent speaker, but you think I am a fluent speaker, then you will achieve your fluency. If you think positive, then your mind is going to positive, how to improve my English speaking in short of period. Okay, thinking is a very important in part of journey. It we thinking is a positive, and you think always positive, positive, positive. I am fluent speaker, I become a fluent speaker, I have so many knowledge, I speak very well, so many things. If you think positive, okay, then you will gradually become to fluent speaker. Okay, so you just need to thinking is a positive in always. Okay, be positive and be learning. So, and second thing is a reading. Reading is a very important and powerful word to speaking this language, to achieving get your fluency. Why? Because if you read loudly, then your mind is read word very carefully. If you read your mouth loudly, then your mind is get to the catch word, and this word is set to in your mind, and your mind is started to going work in this speaking this journey. Okay, reading is not increase your only for reading skill, because reading is increase your thinking, increase your pronunciation, and increase your uh, reading skill fast way. Okay, so you should try to read every single day without skipping any day. Okay, just go and start reading, and reading is very loudly. Okay, you should read loudly. And third is technique is writing. Okay, third is writing. If you start writing, then your mind is already too ready. Your mind is searching word what I should write. Just you put on your pen and copy, then you start writing. After that your mind will started working, started searching word, what types of word I try to I try to write. Okay, your mind is always going to searching so many what I try to write. Okay, so you should write every single day without skip any day. Okay, start writing. Just you start writing, put on your copy, pen, rough, whatever thing, if you want. So mind is started to working in their situation, and started describing in your mind. Okay, your mind is started describing words, right? What types of topic I write. Okay, just this technique is a very helpful to improve your English speaking. So you should try to write. Okay, and fourth is I try to describe. Fourth is, if you truly wanted to become a fluent speaker and achieve fluency without any further delay, you should start speaking. If you want speaking in their life, okay, so without any single of day, you should start speaking. I know i know you are not able to speak front of other people, front of stage, front of so many peoples. It's not matter, but you are able to speak in front of mirror, in front of camera, in front of nature. Okay, front of nature is a very good way to improve your English. Front of mirror is a very good improve to English. Okay, just you should start speaking in front of mirror, in front of camera. And I know if you think how to speak alone, what types of word I speak, what types of topic I start speaking in front of mirror. This is a very big problem, this is a very big challenge in every beginner. If you are beginner, this problem is a you have. So I know when I was starting my English journey, I started describing myself, I started nature, I started describing my room, entire my life in front of mirror. Then I stuck, then I speaking stuck. I know I am a beginner. I had so many hesitate. I had so many problems, kind of problem, but I try to a lot. Then today I can speak in English. So if you want to speak entire journey, just you try to again and improve yourself day by day. So dear friends, if you try to do these tips, you will get your fluency. Okay, and if you try to these techniques to improve this language, and I will share with you, you achieve your English speaking knowledge. Okay, so let me I try to do some line. uh, there is a no perfection. Okay, if you want to perfect time, then you try to speak in other front of other people. Okay, so do these techniques, you should follow these techniques, and get your fluency, achieve your fluency. So this technique is a very helpful for me, and I will guarantee you this technique is very helpful for you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon. I will meet till the next video. Bye bye, take care.